Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be reviewing Proton VPN, a service that has quickly gained popularity for its strong focus on privacy and security. Unlike many VPNs that just focus on speed or streaming, Proton VPN is built by the same team behind Proton Mail, so its roots are in protecting user privacy and fighting online surveillance. Let's go through what makes Proton VPN stand out, its strengths, and a few areas where it might not be the best choice. First, let's talk about privacy and security, which is where Proton VPN really shines. It uses AES 256 encryption, supports secure protocols like OpenVPN and WireGuard, and offers features like secure core servers, which route your traffic through multiple countries to add an extra layer of protection. The company is based in Switzerland, a country with strong privacy laws and outside major surveillance alliances, which adds peace of mind for users who want true anonymity. Proton VPN also has a strict no-logs policy that's been independently audited, so you can be confident your data isn't being tracked or stored. When it comes to performance and speeds, Proton VPN does well, especially with WireGuard. It's fast enough for streaming in HD or even 4K, online gaming, and large downloads. It might not always be as fast as NordVPN or ExpressVPN in every test, but for most users, it delivers reliable, consistent speeds. The free version of Proton VPN is also worth mentioning. It's one of the very few VPNs that offers unlimited data on a free plan, though the free servers are limited and can get slower during peak times. Now let's look at streaming and content unblocking. Proton VPN works with Netflix, Disney+, Amazon Prime Video, and several other platforms, but its performance can sometimes vary depending on the server you connect to. The good news is that it continues to improve its streaming capabilities, and many users report solid results. If unblocking every streaming service worldwide is your top priority, ExpressVPN or NordVPN might be slightly more reliable, but Proton VPN still holds its ground. Another strong point is features and usability. Proton VPN supports up to 10 simultaneous device connections on paid plans, which is very generous compared to many competitors. The apps are clean and easy to use on Windows, Mac, Android, iOS, and Linux, and there are extra features like a built-in kill switch, split tunneling, and even a VPN accelerator for faster connections. Advanced users will appreciate the secure core servers and Tor over VPN feature, while beginners will find the interface simple and user-friendly. Finally, let's discuss pricing. Proton VPN has a free plan, which is great for anyone who wants basic privacy without spending money, and its paid plans are reasonably priced, especially if you choose a longer subscription. It's not the cheapest VPN on the market, but considering its strong focus on privacy, advanced features, and unlimited device policy on premium plans, it offers good value for money. So, to sum up, Proton VPN is one of the best choices if privacy and security are your main priorities. It's fast enough for most online activities, works with major streaming platforms, and even offers one of the best free VPN options out there. The only downsides are that its streaming performance isn't always as consistent as top-tier competitors, and it may not be the absolute fastest. But if you want a VPN built around trust, transparency, and strong security, Proton VPN is definitely worth considering. I hope this video was helpful. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.